Hello everyone, guys. My E-Revo is coming back on the road. I was so hungry for riding, so today's heavy rain like all day, but we still will go to the street. So let's go. So today I was trying to find some ideas how to repair my plastic spoiler. It's like lose one tip, and I was thinking maybe somehow I will solve this problem just to ride today, maybe some epoxy or something like this. It's just one tooth, you know, and I opened my parts storage and accidentally find the new, it's new in the package, spur gear, the E-Revo gear. So today I changed it, and also I want to change the springs to more harder, and I also find it in my parts. So I changed the springs and I changed the spur, and she's ready to come back to the road again. And maybe I need to have some, you know, more expensive thoughts, or like more expensive dreams, and also come back to my parts storage and find these more expensive things in my parts. I don't know how it works, but two of my dreams become a real life today. So
Красивый был кадр.
oh yeah, I need to tighten this fork a little bit more. Please take a step.
Задави бабульку.
Пойдем, пока нам дверь открывают. It's a rainy day in Istanbul. I love the sound. It's like a jet plane.
Да.
Врубай.
Бу.
Попало в кадр?
Да, да.
Лучше обойди. Вау!
Зачем
Я
тебе?
не знал, что там собака.
Да. Ага. Ух ти. Приколтес. Ей не нравится этой женщине.
So guys, this is the end of this video, and as a result I finally came back home with a totally working model. Finally, maybe first time in 2 years of having this model, it's already done. And look at this, a little fun